Transferring money from Forex to Lloyds Bank account is very easy to do. Today I'm gonna show you how to do it. Visit the bank branch that issued your Forex card or a financial institution. Firstly, send your proof of identity, such as your passport and your bank account number. If a Forex card is left over, you will transfer the balance of your Forex card to your bank account. Transfer funds via NEFT by submitting and canceling a check. Here, the bank will confirm your identity and provide you with a cancellation check to transfer the remaining money to your bank account via NEFT. Should transfer the amount only after verification. According to Reserve Bank of India regulation, you cannot transfer the Forex card balance directly into other accounts. An official procedure can be utilized to move the Forex card balance to a bank account with no different process specified. You must withdraw the amount of a Forex card issued by an Indian bank and cannot release the same amount from any foreign account because that is not included in the guidelines. The amount from Forex cards can be used for bill payments and other purposes during your visit, but not as money.